this morning and running. We're already at the Fulton lock at mile marker 391. And we've been green lighted to go into the chamber. Secured? Okay, I'm in neutral. Do I need to slow us down? Got it? Fulton Lockmaster, pleasure craft. Not normal. We are secure. Done that, you'll see the water start to go down right in this here area here. You'll start to see it go down, and we'll go down about 30 feet here. Somebody hit that ladder pretty bad. But yeah, we're moving down pretty good now. Good morning to Don, the first mate. All right. Back up here. Copy that, headed out. We're free to go. All right. Okay, we're here at Wilkins Lock, mile marker 376. You see that tugboat that got in ahead of us right up there. He's locked out and on his way. They're closing the gates behind us now. This is Glover Wilkins Lock, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. A lot of these locks seem to have this same grassy knoll in between these areas. Some of them have birdhouses. No birdhouses at this one though. It's turned into a pretty day. It was very chilly this morning and it's gotten quite warm. Now it looks like we're about to be on our way down here shortly. Yep, doors are shut. Looks like there's some guys in a fishing boat. Gonna lock down with us. opportunity to get us down and back up and have them not be held up. So hopefully we've accomplished that for them. We pay the favor. Like a lot of barges, a lot of stuff, loading some kind of a material.
Is it a Carver? Actually looks like mine.
It does, looks like a 396.
Yeah.
Slugging through, huh?
Yep. He's gonna have a.
It is.
He's gonna have a beard or mustache or whatever you call it.
That is the dam letting water out.
Oh yeah.
Look at all of that stuff. Oh my goodness.
Look at the dock across the way with all the stuff stuck in there.
Yeah. That's where all this stuff is coming from. Being washed downstream. Okay, so we're leaving the Aberdeen lock here, and it looks like we have a ton of debris in our way. This is going to be wild. Okay, so we've come to the end of yet another day, and we ended up at Columbus Marina, and very nice group of people. They got a little house there that's got all their ship store and showers and all that kind of stuff. Fuel dock, and the transient dock that we're on. And a nice little marina back here, tucked away. Very shallow. Got down to 2 inches of water below the props. I think I even dusted up a little bit, but we made it in here and it wasn't too bad. So at any rate, we'll be here for the night and we'll start fresh in the morning.